I'm just sitting here outside on this fall day and it's super windy and I want to show you something. Look at all the leaves flying through the trees. Can you see this? Like all these leaves. This is a perfect metaphor for what happens when you start to change. All kinds of things in your life are going to wither away and fall away. Relationships, bad habits, your mindset. People are going to question what you're doing. That is the natural consequence to you growing and moving into a new season. So anytime you are starting to become a better version of yourself and people are questioning it or relationships are feeling strained, I want you to remember this visual of these fall leaves beautifully falling to the ground. These people in your life have served a purpose for a season. We love them. We're grateful for them. But it is natural in life to grow and to shed and to have some things fall away so new things can grow.